Hey guys, you got Martin Barkey here. Today in the garage, I've got an F-150. I've got a new exhaust system from MBRP. Let's get underneath here. I'll show you what it's all about. Okay, so quickly, this is a 3-inch cat back. You can see right here, we've got a formed flange that bolts directly to the factory cat pipe. Now you can also see we have a non-resonated front pipe. Right here, I have a resonated front pipe. And what we've done is in the box, fully included, is this, for those that want to cut out some extra dBs, or run it without the front resonator, for those that want a little more aggressive. Give this to a buddy, sell it, use it as paperweight, do whatever you wish. But after that, we're gonna get to mid-pipe. We all know these trucks come in different cabin bed configurations. This mid-pipe fits one size fits all. You're just gonna cut it to fit as per the instructions in the box. After that, you're gonna see MBRP's high flow 3-inch straight through design muffler. You can see we're utilizing the OE rubber hanger locations. You can see we have band clamps for ease of install or ease of removal, again, if you need to. And again, 3-inch mandrel-bent tailpipe. We have the highest clearance you can possibly get going over this axle. So you can lower your truck, you can off-road your truck, you can trailer with these trucks. You're not gonna worry about the clearance on the tailpipe. Now here's the neat part about this system. You guys have been asking for it. What we've done, we've heard you. You wanted dual slash cut tips. So we have a single 3-inch exiting in to MBRP stainless steel slash cut exhaust tips. There you have it. You've asked for it, we built it. This one's all done. We're gonna put it on the ground. We're gonna take it for a rip and let you guys give it a listen. We've got the F-150 on the ground. Let's get it on the road. See what this sounds like. As we always do, mellow acceleration. Just pull out on the highway, driving to work, whatever the deal may be. We'll let it go through the gears. We're already going into 5th right now. Hopefully you guys can hear it. This is a deep, I'm gonna say aggressive tone. Not obnoxious by any means. We're in 7th gear now, 8th. With this having the 10 speed, we've got a couple more gears to go. Now it's gonna mellow out when we get, now we're in 10th, so we're rolling down the road, got the kids' family in, whatever. I can definitely hear it. Now remember, we did not install the front resonator pipe, so this is just the muffler, the high flow tuned muffler from MBRP without the resonator pipe inside. You know what? When the displacement cuts out, like all the Fords do, you can hear it, obviously. We didn't hear it in this run right now. It sort of picks and chooses when it wants to cut displacement cylinders. You know what? It's an aggressive tone without being obnoxious. You can drive this every day and be on the aggressive side. You can put the resonator in and cut those sounds down all the way through across the whole RPM or the power band, for instance. So what I'm going to do after a mellow run like that, let's get out here. I'll step on and let you guys hear it wide open throttle. Now this is the 5-liter. This system does work on all engines in the F-150, but here's what the V8 sounds like. There we go. You know what? I'm a V8 guy. V8 just sounds so great. This exhaust system looks classy, looks clean, easy to install, and it can turn heads if you're pulling away from a stop sign, and yet, you know what? You can You can run with your family in the cars, you know, if you want, for a nice mellow tone, or you can have a conversation like we're doing right now. You know what? Direct bolt on, got the resonator pipe in place. You can upgrade to carbon tips, burnt tips, black tips, whatever you want. There's lots of options. So this is part number 5277304. That's S5277304. Check it out at MBRP.com, or of course, go check it out at your local MBRP exhaust dealer.